Hi friends, welcome back. Hope you all are doing good. Today we'll see how to bake chicken rolls. For that I have taken 150 grams of whole wheat flour or atta and 150 grams of all purpose flour or maida. Into that we'll add 1 teaspoon of yeast, instant yeast, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, and into this we'll add 250 ml of lukewarm milk. In case you are using dry yeast, first activate the yeast using the milk and then add it into the flour. We'll use the kneading hooks to knead the dough. First knead the dough at speed 1. Once the dough comes together, we'll knead at high speed for 5 minutes. If you feel that the dough needs a little more liquid, add 1 tablespoon of liquid. Here I feel that the dough needs more liquid, so I'm adding 1 tablespoon of liquid of milk and kneading the dough. Depending on the type of wheat flour used, the requirement of liquid might change. So while adding 250 ml, just keep a few tablespoons and then add the liquid. Now the dough has become soft. It is nicely kneaded. Let us add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. We can use butter also instead of that. And knead the dough till the oil is properly mixed into the dough and the dough becomes soft and elastic. If you're new to my channel and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. To receive notifications of my new videos, please press the bell icon and select all option. Thank you. Now the dough is kneaded well. It has become soft. Let us remove the kneading hook and make a ball of the dough and allow the dough to rest till it doubles in size. See, now the dough has become quite elastic. We'll make it into a ball like this and allow it to rest for around 1.5 hours or till it doubles in size. Cover it with a cling film or a damp kitchen towel and keep it aside. Meanwhile, we'll prepare the filling. For that, I've taken 1 tablespoon of butter in a pan. Into that, add 1 cup of chopped onion. Saute. Add half teaspoon of ginger chopped, garlic chopped and green chilies according to taste. Into this we'll add the spices. Half teaspoon of red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper powder, salt according to taste, and a little garam masala. You can add spices according to your taste. Saute well. Into this we'll add 1 carrot chopped, add 1.5 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and saute till the flour is cooked. Into this let us add 1 cup of milk and stir well continuously so that it doesn't stick to the bottom. Now the mixture is cooked and it has become thick. Into this we'll add 2 cups of shredded chicken. Here I have boiled the chicken with salt, pepper and shredded it. Mix it well. Add some coriander leaves chopped. You can add any other herb of your choice. Mix well. Finally add 2 or 3 tablespoons of cheese. And mix it and keep it aside. Now our dough is well risen. So let us give it a short knead and transfer it onto a floured surface. Divide it into 8 equal portions. Now we'll roll each portion into balls. We'll roll out each ball into an oval of 8-inch length and 6-inch breadth. Keep the filling and then fold it like this. Bring the sides together and from the end roll it into a roll. Pinch the edges and keep it in a well greased baking tray. Here I have taken an 8-inch baking tray. It is such an easy recipe and it tastes so delicious. So please do try out the recipe and let me know how it turns out. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and comment. Your comments are really valuable. I will look forward for your comments. The rolls are all ready. Now we'll allow it to rest for 15 to 20 minutes and then bake it at 200 degrees Celsius. Before baking, let us brush it with anything of your choice like egg wash, milk wash or melted butter. Here I am using egg wash to brush the rolls. Now let us sprinkle some chopped coriander leaves on top. We'll bake at 200 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes in toast mode. The rolls are beautifully baked. Do try the recipe and let me know how it turns out. Thank you for watching. Stay safe. Bye.